This is KhoPhi. Today I have a giveaway to do. This is my first time on my channel. I've never done a giveaway before, but after looking through my items, I think this is the time to do a giveaway. And I'm sure probably somebody out there starting photography or trying to learn the ways of photography like myself might have more use of it than I currently have. So the giveaway is this. It's the Tamron 70 to 300 millimeters. It's an f4 to f5.6. It's a zoom lens. So if you are into maybe outdoor photography or something like that, this might be something you would like to use. It came in with the camera bundle I bought on Amazon, which was the Canon M50 and a whole other bunch of stuff. You can see the other video where I talk about my review of the Canon M50. Since I got this lens, I've used it once in a while, not very often. I've taken only a few shots using this lens. I'm not sure I've taken more than 100 images with this lens, but it's an amazing lens for outdoor photography, especially when you want to shoot outdoors. Here are some of the sample shots I've had from this lens in the past, and it does a great job for what it's designed for.
I'm coming home, Savannah. We'll never be alone, Savannah. The beauty of the world, Savannah. Let's all take a ride.
To be part of this giveaway, how does it work? Here are the steps you need to follow if you want to stand a chance of winning this lens. The Tamron 70 to 300 f4 to f5.6. The steps are pretty simple. So the first thing is you have to subscribe to this channel, which I'm sure if you're watching this video you already are subscribed. And also follow me on Twitter. So that is my handle on Twitter. You can follow me on Twitter where I share tech updates and any other videos I share. And also this giveaway, retweet the message with your friends on Twitter and let them know this giveaway is happening. Now, the only condition to this, anybody can win this. The only condition is you have to be in West Africa. So when I'm mailing this, I will only be mailing it to an address within West Africa. So if you want to be part of this giveaway, fine, but make sure or remember that it's only going to persons who live within West Africa. So that is the only condition for winning, the only condition attached to this, but it's open to everybody and anyone can take part in this giveaway. The contest starts now and I'm gonna announce the winner at the end of this month. So make sure to follow the steps. First, subscribe to this channel. Second, follow me on Twitter, and then retweet the message about this giveaway to your friends on Twitter as well. I wish you all the best, and we'll do another video when the giveaway is out and the winner and details related to that. So make sure to stick around and we'll share more details about this as well. Thanks for watching and we'll see you in the next one. Bye.